center on 206.7, tax code. Good night. 293, climb maintain flight level 300.
I'm starting at a remote Air Force base in California. They say this is the land of dreams. Well, I'm hoping it can help me fulfill one of mine. This is a Pontiac GTO, the 6-litre one, 400 brake horsepower. It's what the Americans would think of as a sports car. It's about muscle rather than agility, as we would have in Europe. This will do 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. And we could go and make an American road movie in it, but instead, we're going to use it to chase an aeroplane. It's a weird-looking thing, but then it is the world's highest flying aeroplane. It should be here any second now. Wow. Oh, look at that.
We're talking down to 10 feet. There's 10, 8, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4. Left rudder, that's still 4. There's 3 tails in there too. Just a little bit more left rudder. 1.5.
This is a U-2 spy plane. It's the peak of 1950s aviation, from the dawn of the space age. And the car chase isn't a TV stunt. The plane's so difficult to land, the pilot needs a second pair of eyes in the car below. So that's an aeroplane with a wingspan of almost 100 feet landing on essentially bicycle wheels. This aeroplane's stomping ground is at an altitude that, back in the 50s, would have been considered the edge of space.